So for Christmas, my brother wanted a couple of gladiator swords, and instead of buying them, I figured it would be, well, not easier, but I figured it would be more fun to actually make them myself. So I bought some wood and sketched it out, and we'll see how it turns out. Now that I've got the basic shape cut out, I'm going to sand out the edges and fix some of my bad cuts, and then hopefully I can just trace it out, and then I'll be able to make another one. So as you can see, I've done quite a bit of sanding, and I got all the rough edges off, so it's easy to hold in your hand, and it actually looks a lot better than it started off. I thought it was going to end up looking like an oar or a paddle or something, but this actually looks like a sword, so I'm very proud of myself, and yeah, so let's give this to my brother. So as you can see, this second sword actually looks a lot better than the first one because I actually knew what I was doing for this one, and through the process of trial and error, I was able to get this one looking pretty good, and so now I've got two swords, and hiya! Also, as you can see, after making two swords, I'm kind of a mess, so I'm going to clean up and eat lunch now. So after I finished making my brother's swords, then I actually made myself a sword, and this one is two-handed and made with basically the same design, but I changed this little part here so that it looks way cooler, and I really like it. Also, in other big news this week, the show that I've been working on all summer, MythBusters Jr., is coming out on January 2nd on the Science Channel, so be sure to check that out, and if you don't get the Science Channel, then you can also watch it on the Sci-Go App, so be sure to watch that, and I hope you enjoy it. Hoya!